Jiangsu Youcheng Zhixin is professional manufacturer of air compressor storage tanks, as well as distributor of air compressors, vacuum pumps, oven motors and fans. Main export to the markets in Europe and America, it has self-built factory 5,900 square meter own, automatic welding production line, motor assembly lines and pump assembly lines with annual production capacity of more than 1 million pieces. Jiangsu Youcheng Zhixin strictly controls from R&D, raw material procurement and production process to pursue and realize zero defect quality target. Jiangsu Youcheng Zhixin takes technological innovation as its advantage. Hasa team of R&D engineers with over 10 years of industry experience, which can provide customers with efficient and professional solutions or new customized development solutions.